Alright, so now we have reached the crucial part of completing a collaborative change, that is creating a pull request. When you have worked day and night to make an impressive change to an external repository, now it's time to submit that by creating a pull request. Since you don't own that repository, it's not in your hands whether the pull request will be accepted and merged or be rejected. Hence, it's always recommended to test the code thoroughly before creating a pull request to any big organization. So we'll take one example from the previous GitHub sessions. We will head over to OmSync's GitHub and open this CV repository. And this time I'll first fork this repository. Now please note that I'm on my primary account because on this PC locally I have signed in through this account only. So we have forked this repo. Now it's on our GitHub account. So now I'll just copy this link. Then I'll go to my repositories folder and I'll git bash here and I will use the command git clone and then the URL, enter. So now we have the CV project here. We'll open that in the text editor. So we'll make the change that we also made previously. We'll add the surname and I'll open the terminal here and first we'll cd into CV and git status to see if there are any changes. Yes, there are some change that has been made. So we'll first stage those changes to the staging area and then commit -m add surname, enter. So the commit has been made. Now I'll push this to the origin where it is coming from. So we'll first check where its remote is. Its remote is in the origin. So we'll git push to the origin and the branch name is main. Git push origin main. Alright, now let's go back to the repository. I'll first refresh this. Alright, so it shows that I am one commit ahead of OmSync's repo, and that commit is what I just made, this commit add surname. And now we have this option of creating a pull request. We'll create one, create pull request. So it shows what kind of change I made, and it's showing that there are no conflicts and I am able to merge. So I'll just create a pull request. I'll write something like add surname and we'll proceed with by creating a pull request. Right. So in this way, I submitted my changes to OmSync. He may close this pull request since it was just for this session. While you are making pull requests for the big companies or big organizations, you need to describe what all changes you made so that your commits are clear to the reviewer. If everything goes well, your pull request shall finally be merged. So with this, you are all set to start contributing to open source. Just look for your dream repository, make changes, and earn that accepted pull request. If you have any queries till now regarding Git and GitHub, or you're stuck somewhere, you may contact our team through any of our contacts. So until then, happy coding.